tried the cordless vacuum. I'm so excited about it. It's super light. So let's try it together. Okay, so first off, let's turn it on. That sounds insane. And I guess there's 3 speeds. That's crazy. And I guess you can make it longer. So good. It's already picking up so much. Look at that. That's crazy. That's so crazy. So, alright, so I'm actually going to detach this because I really want to try it in the car. So, easy detaching. Okay. Okay, so I have the attachment. So you basically just click it in and we're ready to go. Let's go to the car. Okay, so we're headed to the car. Okay, so first off, let's start with the seat and see how it does here. Literally, I wasn't using my dominant hand, so this was a struggle, but it was literally picking everything up. The suction is crazy. Like, it is. Look how it's picking everything up. Yo. Hang on, let me back. First of all, look at all the dust. Look at the carpet. Oh my gosh. Like, literally, no more car cleaners for me. Like, I can do this myself.